In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate transactions in Xero. Duplicates can happen for a few reasons, maybe a bank feed pulled in a line twice, or a manual import overlapped with an existing entry. Cleaning these up keeps your reports accurate and your reconciliation fast. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need, along with a few pointers so you feel confident before you remove anything. First, head to the main navigation and click on Accounting. This is where all your core financial features live, and it's the quickest way to get straight to your bank activity. Next, choose Bank Accounts. This opens the list of all accounts you've set up in Xero, including checking, savings, credit cards, and any other connected accounts. Now, select the bank account that contains the duplicate transaction. Pick the account where you notice the duplicated line, so you're working in the right place from the start. From here, open Account Transactions. This view shows the transactions Xero has recorded for that account. It's especially useful for spotting duplicates because you can review the date, amount, payee, and reference side by side. Take a moment to locate the transaction you're certain is the extra copy. Compare the details carefully. The duplicate should match another entry in both amount and timing. Once you've identified the duplicate, click the checkbox next to that transaction. This selects it for the next action. It's worth pausing here to be absolutely sure you've picked the right one. Removing the wrong item can throw off your reconciliation. With the correct transaction selected, click Remove and Redo. This option is designed specifically for cleanup. It removes the transaction Xero created and undoes the reconciliation that linked to it. In other words, it rolls back the accounting entry so you can reconcile correctly without the duplicate getting in the way. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, Xero will remove the duplicate transaction you selected. If the original bank statement line still exists, it will return to your reconciliation screen so you can match it properly later. If the line was purely a duplicate entry in Xero, it will be cleared out so it no longer affects your balances or reports. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, accounting, bank accounts, selecting the right account, opening account transactions, choosing the duplicate, using remove and redo, and confirming, you'll keep your books clean and your reconciliations accurate.